Hello, lovely Dylusionists. Coming to the Ranger studio. I'm at Ranger. Don't come too close though. Come in a bit, but I'm sick. I'm really sick. Hence, this is why I look like this. I'm just, oh my gosh, I'm on tablets, I'm on inhalers, I'm on steroids. You name it, I'm on it. Anyway, the only way is up. So, just to let you know about the next online class that I will be doing when I get home. It is going to be, well, there's two. There's a 5-day class and there's a 1-day lucky dip. So the 5-day class is Sunday, the 26th of November. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Thursday the 30th of November. So to the last day of November, okay? Sunday the 26th to Thursday the 30th. And the lucky dip is going to be Sunday the 3rd of December. And I'm going to make that a Christmas lucky dip. So what's it going to be the first week? Sorry, I'm short of breath. It's going to be Diamonds Are Forever, and it's the whole new, it's not very good, camera handle, there we go. It's the whole new diamond program. So we will be using the diamond dusts. We will be stamping with the dusts. That is through a stencil. We will be again stamping with the dust. Where is the paint? I've got some painted ones somewhere. Oh, sorry, I don't know where everything is. I've got some painted images. We will be using the new stamps. We'll be using the quilt stamps. We will be using, or anything that's new, we will be using. There's one where I started painting. I'm so sorry. Can you see where I've started painting? And then we will be going on to the rocks. So we will be doing all the rocks. We'll be making lots of shapes like this. We will be using them with the stamps. We will be doing them clear with the stamps. We will be doing them with collage papers. We will be embedding into them. We will be embedding dust into them. You name it, we will be doing it. It's a 101 of the diamond range, okay? So we're going to start with the stamps. There's dust, all the different ways of dust, and then the rocks, all the different ways of rocks. You don't need every colour. If you've got a couple of colours, that would be great. Oh, just let me turn that off for a minute. If you've got a couple of colours, that would be great. So some of the dust, some of the, I don't know why that's, sorry. Messages keep coming in. So some of the dust, some of the rocks, some of the stamps, and we'll be merging it all together. So if you've got a couple of colours, that will be great. You will need some of the boards to do the rocks part, and the brushes. You really, this is what you're going to need. So you're going to need the diamond medium pad and the dabber. You're going to need a few colours of the rocks and the clear, and you're going to need a few colours of the dust. Okay, these are the brushes. So there's the fluffer and the fluffer, sorry. So there's got those, and we're also going to use the Dylusion stickles. Okay, you'll also need some black paint and a blending tool and some of your journal pages. I'll be doing some in the small ledger journal, I'll be doing some in the black dot journal, and I'll be doing some in the classics journal. So any of those, oh, and you're going to need some of the board, but any of those journals will work. You don't need a specific one. So that's going to be 101 of diamonds, okay? Everything you needed to know, we'll go through it all step by step. Sunday the 26th of November. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday the 30th of November. And then on the following Sunday, which is into December, can you believe it? It's going to be into December. Sunday the 3rd of December is going to be one of my lucky dips. So, but I'm going to make it a Christmas lucky dip. If you haven't done lucky dip before, I leave it until the day of the class, and then I go back through old journals, pick a page, deconstruct it and reconstruct it and make it modern and put a different slant on it. So I'm going to do a Christmas one. You never know what you're doing till the day. I give you the material list on the day, and they're just great fun. And some people say they're the favourite classes that they ever do because it's just spontaneous. If you don't have the stuff we're using, I show you how to improvise all the time. So I'm going to go because I'm struggling to breathe. I promise I will be well for the class and get back over onto UK soil, get myself well, and I'll see you then. Okay.